Afmass Zambia and Southern Africa, the #1 international food and beverage manufacturing and milling industry trade show and conference, is set for Lusaka, Zambia. On its third edition, the event will bring together food industry as well as packaging, agriculture and hospitality. Investors, managers and professionals from across Africa to explore new technologies and innovations shaping the continent. Join us in Lusaka to network and do business with global and regional suppliers of food and beverage processing and packaging, ingredients, laboratory supplies, milling and grain processing and storage technologies, logistics and cold chain. Experience 3 days of exhibition, insightful conference sessions and strategic networking opportunities designed to help you grow your business, build partnerships and expand your network across Africa. Don't be left behind. Grow your business in Africa. Sign up to sponsor, exhibit or attend Afmass Zambia and Southern Africa today.